Hey guys, Mike with A&M here. Today we're gonna be tearing down this pool that's right behind me. So let's get into it. So as you can see, he said the storm came through and destroyed this. He just never had a chance to fix it. So it's been here about 10 years. It's probably beyond repair. So we were actually able to back our trailer up to it, and we got to remove this pump and everything too. I got an electrical tester to make sure everything's turned off, but we're gonna see if it all fits in our trailer. All right guys, so this tank was super heavy. You might have seen me moving it in the time lapse, and so I cut the whole bottom, and look how much sand got in there over time. That's just from people going in the pool. I'm guessing it just filtered into there. So I'm cutting that, and I'm gonna leave the sand here, but I thought that was kind of crazy because it's so heavy. But we put all the trash on the bottom. We're gonna put all the metal on top, and we've got a little bit more raking to do. Then I'll show you guys what it looks like when it's all done. All right guys, so this is the first time I've ever taken one of these apart. If you had a Phillips screwdriver or a drill bit of Phillips, you could easily disassemble this. We just decided to knock it with a sledgehammer, but if you don't feel like doing that, I would just bring a Phillips screwdriver bit. All right guys, here is the finished product. Took us about 30 minutes in real time, so not too bad. Here's what our trailer looks like. Trash on the bottom, metal on top. So yeah, that was the first time I've ever done a pool of that size, but really it came apart pretty easily. It had been sitting there for a while and we got it picked up no problem. And so hopefully the customer's happy with everything. We got paid $450 for that job. So if you guys want to see more videos like this, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification button, and we'll see you guys next time.